Hi guys, welcome to Hooks Hot Rods. I took the truck out for a ride and had a bit of an issue with the front tires rubbing on the fender support, so I had to raise up the whole truck approximately 3 inches all in total. So yeah, this is a video on how I managed to get it to work out, and I haven't had it back out for a ride, but it looks like it worked out good. And I took the Chevy too for a little cruise to like a cruise in. Bunch of cars met in the parking lot. And, yeah, I'll show you a clip of that as well. Okay, so I am having a bit of an issue with when the truck is right low. You see the black mark on the fender brace here. The tire is hitting it. So I've got to raise the truck up a little bit. So my plan is I'm going to pull the leaf spring out, and I'm going to try just arching it first. I want to get about 2 inches more lift. So I'm going to take the spring out and re-arch each leaf, get a little more height. And then just put it back in. If that doesn't work, I'll have to get another leaf and add another leaf or so in. But I don't really want to make the ride any harder, which will happen if I put in more leaves. Okay, I'll get it out and I'll show you how I'm going to do that. So I've got the leaf spring out, and I was thinking about it, and if I re-arch it, it's going to make the ride more stiff. It'll be a harder ride. So I decided to try and make a lifting block and a new bottom plate here to see if I can get it up 2 inches without doing anything to the spring. Because I like the way it rode. It was just too low, and the tires were touching when I went around corners. So hopefully this will do it without messing with the spring. Okay, I'll get it back in, and I'll let you know how it works out. Okay, so I have the main leaf back in. I have to take it apart to put the first leaf in. So while I have it apart, I'm going to just do a little bit of arch to a couple of these, just to improve it a little bit more. See if I can get a little more out of it. So I'll show you how I do it. I'll get set up, and I'll do a little bit of videoing on how I get the arch back into the springs. Okay, so this is the first leaf I'm going to attempt. And all I do is lay it on a board and okay, and that's what I started with. Okay, I'll get set up here and show you how this goes. Okay, so with that little bit of pounding, I'm down to here with it on each end now. So just puts a little arc back in it. No heat, because that'll take the temper out of it. Okay, I'll get some more done and I'll show you how it works out when I'm done. Okay, so this is how much I put back in each one. So that should give me an extra inch of lift at least. Okay, I'll get it all put back together and hopefully it works out.
Like last Saturday or Friday, it was like probably 10. I was like, oh, nothing like Dodge Challengers. Today,
It's a lot of hood scoops.
August 7th.
Yeah.
That's a lot of good. 77. Yes. I bought my first. Yeah, well, it's a sister project challenge. Chrysler has some really fast cars.
A lot of them. Just with the Chev, they were head to head all the time. Right? But this is, I think, their ultimate beast they have. You know, the Charger and Challenger are beautiful cars. I'm not taking anything. Man, we didn't have cell phones. We had paper.
I don't think
Two thin strips of shred on each side. Just two thins. But I thought you don't have a lot. You don't have a
No, my dad behind you. He owns it.
I was just telling Henry on the phone there, that's the first thing popped right at me was
The Chevy too.
yeah.
everybody says that.
Everybody.
Okay guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe and leave a comment and share with your friends. I'd like to get up to like 500 subscribers by the end of the year. I'm 280 maybe now, so we still have a little ways to go, and I'll try and get another video up soon. Okay, again, thanks for watching.